Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. I've got a super gorgeous 7x14 blackout trailer here. This is insulated windows, AC power, heat strip, set up to be your multi-use unit for you guys so you can camp in here, haul in here, and have some fun. This one is in an awesome smooth skin black exterior with the all blacked out diamond plate. It is a gorgeous trailer in person. You do have the extra tall diamond plate rock guard here along the bottom. And then you also have that nice V-nose guard, so you'll have some good rock protection there, as well as those corners that are wrapped. Extended triple tube tongue to give you guys a good turning radius. Side door has the RV lock and cam bar, so you've got double lock protection there as well. And then two 3,500-pound axles. You've got brakes on all fours, aluminum wheels, and a black diamond plate fender. Party lights off the side, so you guys will have some good light to hang out with at night. Then you do have an exterior GFI outlet. That's that box right there. Side vents with this unit, and then you also have stabilizer jacks underneath the back for some extra stability there when you're loading and unloading. Rear ramp door does have a spring assist close on it, plus you've got the black diamond plate wrap around your rear door. Gutters over both the side door and the rear door, which is nice when it's raining or snowing. And then you do have, as you guys can see, spotlights off the back as well, so you will have some light to see what you're doing at night when you need to load and unload in the dark. Insulated walls and ceiling with a beautiful white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. This white aluminum is really nice. It's easy to take care of, keep clean, and you can wipe it down. Plus the white reflects the light really nicely. They just switched on the spots for us so you guys can see those. Again, 7-foot interior height. It's gonna give us about 6'6" at your rear ramp door. And then we do have the 18x44 slider windows with screens in here. These are a tinted lockable window. Now you guys can see all these lights are coming on the inside and outside, plus those party lights off the side are on, and those are all being ran right here with your battery and your battery box, which is awesome. Normally you'd have to be plugged into a vehicle or a generator to have light on the inside and outside of your trailer, and this little guy right here eliminates that problem, so you guys can have light without being plugged into any kind of power source because of that battery, which is great if you guys are trying to use this at night and you don't want to have to run a generator when it's laid out. Now you do have switches right here next to the side door for all those, so you guys can control what's on and off. Then you also have 30 amp service in here. So you've got this breaker box with this cord. You can take this cord, run right through the floor, go out to a generator, an extension cord, or a campground, and that's gonna bring 110 power into the trailer, which is in turn gonna power up your interior outlet. So you've got 4 of these guys, plus an exterior GFI outlet. It's also gonna run your 2 4-foot overhead LED lights. That's these right here. It's also gonna run your AC unit with a heat strip. This is a 13.5 BTU unit. Does have the ability to heat and cool. It's also a Mach 8 slimline unit, so it's a low profile. It doesn't stick up really big and tall above the trailer, which is nice. And that, again, allows you guys to be able to heat and cool and have some nice conveniences in here. We also have a roof vent. This does have the Maxx Air cover on it, so the big bubble cover, so you guys don't have to worry about that leaking water in on your stuff with that bubble cover. And then you've got a side vent up there in that top left corner. Your other side vent's back down here, and that's gonna naturally cross ventilate the trailer for you guys. So when you are sticking things in here with fuel, such as dirt bikes, side-by-sides, razors, UTVs, that kind of a thing, it's a really nice feature to have that natural cross ventilation through the trailer. So here it is. Give us a call if you guys are in the market for a new trailer. We do specialize in these types of units as well as off-road trailers, and we ship. So if you guys don't live near us or don't wanna make a road trip, it's all good. Just give us a call and we will get you a quote to ship this trailer to your door. You can reach us at 303-688-8485, or you can always find us online at coloradotrailersinc.com. We have a buy it now button on all of our units, so you guys can make your next trailer purchase simple. We'll give you a call, finish up the transaction, and again, if we need to ship it to you, give us a shout and we will get you a quote to get it delivered. And be sure to like and subscribe and follow us on YouTube, as we're bringing out new products and try and give you guys new information all the time.